2019 that I publicly stated that Jamaica will launch its first local currency bond internationally within 5 years. And I'm particularly pleased that November 2023, prior to the expiry date of that commitment, the government of Jamaica issued its first ever Jamaican dollar currency denominated instrument in international capital markets. Never been done before in 62 years. Promise made, Madam Speaker, and promise kept. What this means is that international investors from all over the world, London and Zurich, Frankfurt and New York, Boston and Los Angeles, took Jamaican dollar exposure to lend to the government to the tune of $46 billion. This would have been unimaginable 5 years ago, and the development represents a substantial policy dividend emanating from an improved macro environment, deepening monetary policy transparency, and the institutional mechanisms to pursue and maintain stable inflation. The ability to tap overseas investors for Jamaican dollar financing broadens and deepens and diversifies government's funding sources, while providing opportunity over time of altering the currency mix in the national debt. The more of our national debt that's in Jamaican dollars is the stronger Jamaica will become, and the more we'll be able to benefit the people. Today, the foreign component of our debt is 62%. Our goal is to get it to 50% within a reasonable period of time. It will take time, but we have to have ambition. Our goal is to reduce it to 50%.